What if I told you that a small sensor on the track could decide whether a train moves or stops safely and precisely every time? That's what an axle counter does. Welcome to the 4-hour free course on single section axle counter working overview, brought to you by Railway Academy. This short, self-paced session gives you practical insights into one of the most reliable train detection systems used in modern signaling. Who should take this? This course is perfect for signaling engineers, railway professionals, system designers, graduates, and everyone curious about how track detection works. No deep prior knowledge necessary. We begin from basics and build up. What you will learn. Over 4 hours, you will explore the fundamental principle behind single-section axle counters, how axle counters detect train presence and interface with block logic, reset logic, failure modes, and fault recovery mechanisms, real-world usage, calibration, and deployment considerations. What you will be able to do after finishing. Explain how a single-section axle counter works and why it's used. Interpret how it interacts with signaling logic in block systems. Identify potential error scenarios and understand how resets faults are handled. Apply this knowledge to review designs or contribute to signaling projects involving detection. This free course gives you direct exposure to the inner workings of reliability critical train detection. Enroll now in the 4-hour free course on single section axle counter working overview at Railway Academy and strengthen your signaling foundation with no cost, no barrier, just value.